How to remove debit or credit card on TEMU account. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your TEMU app. Here we go. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now at the bottom you're going to find different options. Navigate to the option of View. Now at the top right corner you'll find this icon. Go ahead and click on it. With that you'll land to the settings page. Now over here you're going to find different options. Go to this option of your payment methods. Click on it. With that, you'll land to this page. Now, if you have added any credit or debit card, it's gonna appear in this page. Now, how to remove it? All you have to do is click on the debit or credit card details and then remove it and then click on Done. Once you remove all the details of your debit or credit card, you'll be good to go. You have just removed debit or credit card from your TEMU account. Well, this was really simple and quick process. If you again want to add a debit or credit card, you can click on this option and do that. So that's all for this video. This is how you can easily remove debit or credit card on your TEMU account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.